Tulsa's sirens use tones that warn people about tornadoes, military attacks, and chemical releases into the atmosphere. There's also a distinct flood warning tone for the community. In case you're unfamiliar with these tones, take a listen. This is the warning sound for an impending tornado or chemical releases into the atmosphere. It's a one-note, 3-minute-long steady tone. The second 3-minute tone is for a nuclear attack. As you can hear, it's a wavering tone, similar to the wailing sound made by many police and fire vehicles on emergency missions. The third is unique to the area, warning about impending flooding. It's a 3-minute high-low tone, like what's used by many European ambulances and police vehicles, and occasionally by emergency vehicles in this country.